Hello guys, today I'm gonna present the group assignment to hospital management system database design. These are my team members Kaushik, Abdullah, Rizwan and Madhuranga. So going on to the introduction, a critical component of ensuring efficient, accurate and secure management of hospital operations in today's healthcare environment where patients' data, medical records and operational workflows are increasing in complexity. Having a well structured database is essential for delivering high quality care and improving administrative process, and the system is designed to streamline operations, enhances patient care, improves data security and facilitates decision.
Importance of database design. Effective database design crucial for the optimizing data storage, retrieval, and management. A well-structured database can significantly enhance the performance, reduce cost, and improve the quality of care provided to patients. Next slide. Yeah, normalization techniques. Data normalization is a process that organizes data in a structured format to make it easier to work with, analyze, and query. It involves removing redundant data, establishing relation between tables, and creating tables. The goal is to achieve a standardized data format across the entire system. This will allow healthcare providers to access and update information without consistencies, ultimately improve the patient's care. Data security measures. In the healthcare sector, data security is paramount. Implementing robust security measures such as encryption and access control protects sensitive patients' information and compliance with the regulatory standards. Backups are to priority of data security. Encryption uses a unique codes to scramble data, making it difficult to intruders to read. Authentications verify a user login credentials such as password and biometrics. Over to you.
This ER diagram represents the database scheme for a hospital management system with a focus on managing patients, doctor appointments, staff, and payments. Let me walk you through the key components. First one is the patient table. This table stores patient information including their name, date of birth, gender, and contact details. The primary key is patient ID, which uniquely identify each patient. Second one is the doctor table, contains information about the doctor as such their name, specialty and contact number. The primary key is doctor ID. The third one is appointment table. This table links patients and the doctor to manage appointment. It includes files of the appointment data, time and associated patient ID and the doctor ID. The appointment ID serves as the primary key while patient ID and doctor ID acts as a foreign key connecting it to the patient and doctor table. Payment table, tracking payments made for appointments, storing the amount, payment date and the associated appointment ID. The primary key is payment ID and the foreign key is appointment ID, ensuring payment are tied to specific appointments. Fifth one is the staff table. Store staff details include their name, role, and contact information. Each staff member is uniquely identified by staff ID. Thank you.
So after ER diagram, we'll moving on to creating our table for this database design. In order to create our database, we need to create all the tables required for our database design system. The very first table we need to create is all about the doctor's appointment table and the doctor's table, which includes all the key entities and the key attributes in order to generate valuable tables. And here we are able to create various tables for the each entity that we have: doctor, appointment, staff, payment, and the patients, everything. So after creating all those tables, we are moving on. Now when we generate all the tables for this database system, we are able to generate some SQL reports through which the user can know the doctor's availability and can know the payment methods or the payment made by the patients. Now it is easier to track and analyze the patient payments and the doctor's availability. Apart from that, we can also know all other useful valuable information using this database management system in order to generate several reports in terms of patient's payment, doctor's availability, patient's appointments, and any other useful report we need as per the document required. We'll be able to generate various patient appointment information, payment method, how the patient has made the payment, and those are the things that will help us to utilize and use this database management system you work efficiently in order to improve the overall efficiency of the organization.
So now we will talk about the other specs and future scopes of the database management system. As we know, the previous model was analog, so there was many consideration, limitation, and everything. But now we are using a digital database system. We can we can update the module, we can increase the volume and everything. So in exchange of scalability, it will be a very useful for the organization, and which is necessary because in the future that there will be more data to restore and it will be more complicated. An integrated data module system is important because if I have everything that is required to make a decision, the decision making will be very easier and efficient and fruitful. The previous model was very analog, and finding the right way in the right time was a big challenge. But now, as thanks to the database module, we can have every data that is required, and so the integrated module will help us to make fruitful decision. Given the module is very new to our current staffs, they may require many trainings and supports because everyone need to know some specs and how to have some training about the module. There should be some training and supporting module for the users. Continuous monitoring is important because we have to know how our system work. Is it matching our expectation or not? So there will be continuous monitoring, and as it is an system, so it requires some maintenance, regular maintenance. So ensuring the monitoring and maintenance, it will help us to continuously update the system. Finally, the reason we needed the database management system because the previous system was not able to give us the effective solution for our problems. There was data redundancy, there was storage problem and everything. But with that database management system, we can find the right data in the right time. We can store it in the safer place, and we can use it for the better decision making of the organization. So thank you everyone for having us.